In this video tutorial, we are going to learn symmetry constraint. Symmetry constraint is used to mirror copy the entities to about the selected line that used as the center line. In the design area I have created a line to use as the center line, and two circles. I am going to apply the symmetry constraint to the circles by using the line as the center line, or we could call symmetry axis. Click the first circle, hold shift on the keyboard, click another circle. Move the mouse, click symmetry constraint. Click the line that we have indicated as the axis of symmetry. The circles are symmetric. Click the center point and drag to move it. The another circle has moved also, because the circles are symmetry to each other by mirroring with the axis of symmetry. Click the design area to deselect.